Hey guys, so this is my 2008 Acura TL base with the leather interior and the 5-speed auto. I would have gotten the manual one, but I couldn't find any clean examples in my area in my price range, so I'm stuck with the manual until it breaks. Anyway, this car is completely stock other than a removed intake resonator, and I put a custom exhaust on the car, so it has nothing but a resonator now. So the third cat after the J pipe has been cut out, and then you just have the resonator, and then the mid muffler and 2 dual rear mufflers have been taken out, and this is what it sounds like with the windows up.